Yo, I just got home. Check that shit out. Hang on, I'm gonna set it on the... Look at that. It's a fucking hawk hanging out on my burn barrel. That's dope. Oh. Alright. Well. Nature's majesty. What's good? I'm looking like shit. I bought this. It's a fucking low flow shower head by Bricor. Bricor. Can you see that? It's got... Hold up. Oh, shit. It is the lowest flow shower head on the market. Half a gallon per minute. It's got some kind of like vacuum system that keeps pressure. You see that little hole? You're supposed to make sure that that hole is clear. I don't know what the fucking deal is. I'm about to turn it on now, or put it on now, and see what I can get out of this fucking thing. Because the shower head that I'm using is 2.5 gallons per minute. It's this thing, and it uses too much water. And I only have 550 gallons total, and sometimes it doesn't rain for a couple weeks, and I just don't want to do it. So I'm going to install this one, and we'll see what happens, man. Alright, so it works. However, look at this. So, fuck. That sucks, man. I don't know what to say about that now. God damn it. That's some bullshit. That is because of this thing. This thing is dog shit. This summer, I'm going to get like a 5-gallon pressure tank, and I'm gonna install that instead, because this thing is garbage. Yo, what's up? It's February, I'm gonna say 17th. We've been getting snow. I just carried, see all this shit? Just carried all the shit to the front of the house through this fucking snow. My hands are numb. It's a weird fucking day here. I tried to drive to a town about 30 miles away, and I got about 2 miles and just turned back around. Because they didn't plow any of the fucking roads. But this is probably... I'd say we got half this last night and half this maybe 3-4 days ago. But the shit from last night is like wetter. And it really... the first stuff was like just powder. And it wasn't a big deal. It just kind of blew around. This shit... Ow, is like wet and sloppy. You can't do anything in it. I just went and grabbed all these... Hold up. All these fucking tools I bought. I grabbed all the plumbing shit. I'm gonna start swapping out some plumbing stuff and getting these fixtures finished. Ow. Jesus Christ, my fucking hands are numb. And I grabbed some electrical stuff. I'm gonna wire up the lights, and I'm basically gonna finish the kitchen tomorrow. Hopefully. Yeah, I fucked up. I was cutting these because I had them like really long before, so I cut them to size because I'm ready to slide this back. And apparently, when they come out new, I just put new ones on because I didn't feel like trying to pry the other ones off, and I had a 10-pack. So I'm going to just cut those off later and save them. But apparently they come in the open position. And I didn't even think about it. I just wanted to test the seals. So I shot the fucking wall up when I repowered this thing. There we go. I gotta change these out. I'm putting in a thing that it's so I can circle like CLR through here, because apparently these get fucked up every like year or so. You gotta get all the scale out of it, and this thing sucks. So I'm about to put a 5-gallon tank in here, and then I'm hoping to get an outside propane tank and run propane shit under this cabin to not have these in here, because apparently that's unsafe. But this tank that I got, it hooks onto the wall, so I think I'm gonna cut out like maybe here if I could separate it, and here. No, here. Take this one off. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Yeah, put a 3-way, a T right there. One end going down into a bigger 5-gallon tank that I have. The other end just coming up into there, just like this one is. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to install this thing that I bought. I'm hoping it'll work. I have no idea. I did whatever research I could find on installing bigger tanks on a smaller 12-volt pump. We will see. So it's got a 1/2 inch here. I fucking sealed up this. This is a PEX fitting, 1/2 inch to whatever this PEX size is. I mean, it's 1/2 inch. They call it 1/2 inch PEX, but it's not. It's fucking thinner than that. But I'm hoping that this will take care of my issues using this this low flow. It's a 1/2 gallon a minute, I think. So that's like 10-minute shower is 5 gallons of water, which seems pretty good. Because right now I'm probably using 15 to 20 even. Anyway, whatever. I'm gonna hook this up quick. Probably should have filmed this part. I'm taking these cutters here, and I'm cutting these clips to loosen it. So this was in here, and then I have to like grip it with that vice grip and really fucking yank on it and try not to bend up the metal on the inside. So I got the bottom one off. I'm cutting this one here. Well, actually I already cut it and slid it up to there. And I'm gonna try and get this thing out now that it's unscrewed from the wall. And then what I'm gonna do is put the tank here, facing over, into a 90-degree, into a T, right? Into a straight piece up into there. And that'll bring the new accumulator in. This thing is for sale if you want it. Actually, I should wait and see if this other one even works at all. But I'll be fucking sad if I have to put this piece of shit back in. It sucks. Basically, all I did with this is I pulled the cord to this before I started, and then I drained some water from out of here to get some of it to come out. That's the best I could do. And then I let the rest leak out of there. All right, I'm pulling this off now. Alright, I am done. I didn't tape much of this. So here's what I did. I fucking mounted this. I had to, I cut a piece of PVC because the holes in this were really big and I didn't have any washers or anything. And I don't know. So it looks like shit, but whatever. So I cut a piece of PVC into 4 pieces, mounted this, it's just out, goes to an elbow, comes up into a T, into where the old connection was, up into the old elbow. And that is it. That's all I've done. I loosely fucking put this thing on. I'm gonna have to pull it back off, put some pipe dope in there or whatever it's called, and tighten it up. But so far, it does that thing in the beginning. That is that's like a vacuum hole or something. I don't know. It's weird. Oh, what the fuck? It was lit before. Damn, look how fucking hot it is. Huh. I don't know why the fuck that's not running. It lit the first time. Hang on. Let me try again. God damn, it's hot. There it goes. Alright, so that's it turned all the way on. Staying on. Much longer time. It used to just like pulsate. Alright, so now that thing's full. Let me see if it goes out if I turn the pressure down. Damn, it takes a long time in between fucking... Alright, there it goes. Shit. You motherfucker. That's whack. Huh. I don't know, man. I don't know what to do with that. Maybe there's a way to set the pressure on here or something. Oh, son of a bitch. Alright, well, I mean, it gives you some hot water. Great. Before it would be like on, off, on, off, on, off, and then it would never... I mean, even if that would go out, it would only go out for like a second, you know what I mean? Alright, that's like midway. You can tell it's hot. It's fucking kicking steam and shit. Alright, so this is lit. And it stays lit. It's only when I have it like just barely coming out of here. See, like right there, that's not very hot. Oh wait, it's getting hot. It's getting hot. Yeah, it's not bad at all, actually. It's a good temperature. Alright, that's what's up. Yeah, it's good. It's good, it's good. I just can't have it on the lowest setting. How I used to take a shower here, because of how it would pulsate, I would just turn this on, I would just crack it the tiniest little bit until it would start running. And I'd leave it on that, and it would get really hot as fuck in the beginning. And then it would cool off once it was bringing in icy water from the tank. But now, I don't know, now it fucking doesn't do that anymore, I guess. I just gotta turn it on a little bit more than that. I don't know, man. Work in progress. But whatever. It's not terrible. So I charge this to, that has a switch off at 50, or no, 45. I charge this to like 42 and a half. And then it took a couple runs until it filled up, but I think I'm good. Now the only other thing I gotta switch out is this. And I'm not gonna do that till summer. So, I don't know. Not bad. I don't really like how it is. It's kind of in the way. Nothing's ever ideal. I don't know. It's better than it was. And I don't think, like, even all this time testing it, 5 minutes, I probably used 2.5 gallons. Is my guess. Is what I would like to think. I'm going to get a 5-gallon bucket then and time it. See how long it takes to fill it then. But, I don't know. Good enough, man.